You might be able to tell how long someone has lived here in the DMV by testing their knowledge of one word.
Derecho, a widespread and severe windstorm that moves rapidly along a fairly straight path and is associated with bands of rapidly moving thunderstorms, otherwise known as that thing that got all the trees down and made a mess of everything. This happened 5 years ago today.
First Alert Chief Meteorologist Topper Shutt live at TPC Potomac to talk more about that. Hey, Top.
Yeah, we were actually covering the same tournament. We were at Congressional in Bethesda, and it was just, I'd never seen the atmosphere. I commented, I'd never seen the atmosphere so unstable. Temperatures were in the triple digits, and very unstable atmosphere. We actually went to code red with our weather warnings that night before it hit. And in terms of winds, I mean, everybody received anywhere from 50 to 85-mile-per-hour winds.
A line of thunderstorms 100 miles from tip to toe rolled through the metro area Friday, June 29th between 9:30 and 11:30 p.m. It packed straight-line winds of 50 to 80 miles per hour. This same clump of thunderstorms hit Chicago that morning, southeastern Ohio and West Virginia with hurricane-force winds Friday evening, and then the metro area before midnight. The technical term is mesoscale convective system, or derecho, usually seen in the Midwest and not in the Mid-Atlantic. National hit a daily high of 104 and set an all-time record for June. This system of thunderstorms held its shape and intensity from the Ohio River to the Potomac River, across the bay and into the ocean resorts in coastal Delaware and Maryland. The intense heat ahead of the storm complex fueled the storms as they raced eastward that Friday night.
We're getting reports of these storms in West Virginia producing 70 and 80-mile-per-hour winds. I don't see any reason why they're not going to hold together. I talked about this earlier. This is almost as unstable as I've ever seen the air mass from a meteorological standpoint. So we are very concerned about these storms. You got plenty of time now to put their umbrellas down and take some precautions.
Over 1 million customers lost power in the metro area. Not since September of 2003, when Isabel struck, have so many been left in the dark. Isabel left 1.4 million without power. The derecho didn't even cool us off. Highs remained in the 90s and triple digits for the next 9 days.
Okay. Yeah, that was something we will never forget. Unfortunately, we don't see anything like that coming our way. But I will say this, we went to a yellow weather alert on Saturday for thunderstorms. You know, I don't go anywhere without my clubs. And yes, that is a persimmon wood. You're welcome. We had some fun out here when we first came. Go to my Facebook page and Instagram and check it out. Apparently, I missed my tea time today. All right, let's talk about the 4th of July.